you sing a song for me, little bird? A song about knights and fair maidens. Go on, sing.
I don't know any songs. Not anymore.
Little ghost, you're listening. Unlike most, you don't miss a thing. You see the truth. I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me. No one but you. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty.
Joffrey did that. He promised he would be merciful and he'd cut my father's children. And he said that was mercy. And he took me up on the walls and made me look at it.
Oh, little ghost, you see the pain, but together we can make something beautiful. So take my hand and perfectly we fill the gaps. You and me make three. I was meant for you and you for me. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world.
Don't let them do it, please, please, I wasn't lady!
My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty.
I can take you with me. Take you to Winterfell. You want to go home?
King's Landing is my home now.
It's important to remember where you come from.
I'm Sansa Stark of Winterfell. This is my home, and you can't frighten me.
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside